Xbox app you're not connected to the internet on PC? Quick fix, try first. 1. Close the Xbox app. 2. Restart your PC. 2. Reopen the app. Simple, but works surprisingly often. Full working solutions. 1. Check Xbox services. Press WinR, type services.msc, find and restart Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Networking Service. These services must be running. 2. Reset Xbox app. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find Xbox app. Click Advanced Options, Reset Fixes Corrupted App Data. 3. Repair Gaming Services. Open PowerShell admin. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Reinstall gaming services. This is a major fix most people miss. 4. Reset network. Important. Open command prompt admin and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC after this. 5. Check Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store update. Xbox app, gaming services, outdated store apps cause this error. 6. Disable VPN proxy. Turn off VPNs or proxies. Xbox services often block them. 7. Check date and time. Go to Settings, Time and Language. Enable automatic time. Wrong time equals connection failure. 8. Windows Update. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Install latest updates. Fixes compatibility issues. 9. Reinstall Xbox app. Uninstall Xbox app. Reinstall from Microsoft Store. Advanced fix if nothing works. Change DNS. Go to Network Settings. Set DNS to 8.88.8, 88.4.4. Improves connectivity with Xbox servers. Pro tips. Always keep gaming services installed. Don't use modified Windows versions. Avoid aggressive firewall, antivirus blocking X.